Right, so today I've done something crazy. Well, not crazy, but I'm a car guy today. I decided to buy a bike. That's alright, isn't it?
It's like a proper little thing. Started up perfectly.
Yeah, we built the engine.
Yeah, you said you rebuilt it.
Yeah. So 800 quid, RS125. What possibly could go wrong?
I know that there's another one.
Yeah? What,
Yeah.
cheap?
I don't know.
No.
Once you said today,
Yeah.
there's a my boy's mate, bought one, I don't know, I would say, might have been 10 years ago, 8 years ago.
Yeah.
And he had an accident on it, had it repaired, decided never it was something, and I'm pretty sure that's still sitting in his shed.
Yeah.
I'll find out for you tomorrow.
That's how the story goes, isn't it?
Yeah. I'll find out for you tomorrow. It was funny picking that up, because that's got all the small fairing kit on it and everything.
Alright. But
I'll bring his boy tomorrow and ask. It was only because of this today.
Yeah.
I thought, I know there's another one of them.
I'll take it if it's cheap enough.
Yeah.
So God knows if I'm even going to ride this bike, but for now, I'm just going to enjoy.
Well, you bought it for a project yourself.
Yeah, man. Like, just the part. I've got that I'm sort of nearly finished with. Then I'll get this gone. So what's my plans with the bike? You probably guessed it. It needs a bit of paint. That definitely needs a good polish. It hasn't got an MOT, but again, it's not something that I can ride. So God knows when it will get one, but maybe I'll do a video. Maybe I can find a company that can pick it up, MOT it, and then we'll see if she passes or fails. Obviously, I'm gonna need a fairing. I'm guessing that's definitely an MOT failure. I'm gonna go with that's an MOT failure. Brakes. They got a little lip on them, but nothing too bad. Definitely gonna paint. The calipers again. Definitely, that's getting done. It's gonna definitely be detailed. Even as it sits, it's gonna get detailed. I mean, if you look at this and the way it looks, it took a lot of work, but we got there. You know, it's a nice car. But definitely we'll be getting this out over there at some point. But as you can see, it's absolutely hammering it down. Plus it's getting a bit late. Got to walk the dog, you know how it is. Look at that, I'm the only guy here. I must be mad.